Reality Transurfing, Chapter 3, The Wave of Success.
There's a reason why metaphors like the bluebird of happiness or the wheel of fortune have endured through centuries. They are not just poetic flourishes, they describe something very real. Success and failure flow in patterns, waves, and currents. Just like there are days when everything seems to go wrong, there are moments when everything aligns perfectly. This is not chance. This is the wave of success. But first, a question. Can any pendulum be truly constructive? It may seem like some pendulums support growth or joy, a fitness club, a hobby group, a mastermind community. But even the most harmless pendulum ultimately exists to extract your attention and energy. The moment you enter its structure and accept its rules, you begin feeding it. And when the energy stops, the pendulum dies. So, no, there are no good pendulums, only pendulums that are less destructive. But unlike pendulums, which consume your energy, the wave of success gives without taking. It doesn't care about you. It doesn't demand loyalty, conformity, or sacrifice. It simply exists. Like a lucky streak that begins with a small win and builds into something greater. Have you ever noticed that sometimes a single good event snowballs into an entire flow of positive synchronicities? You get unexpected good news, which lifts your mood. Then, a call comes through with more good news. Then, a project unexpectedly clicks. These aren't isolated, they're threads of one deeper pattern. This is your personal wave of success, your golden thread in the space of variations. And it appears when your energy is aligned, when you are in harmony, when you let go of destructive pendulums and open yourself to possibilities. You step onto this wave. The wave may start as something small, a coincidence, a compliment, a moment of clarity, but it is the entry point to an accumulation of favorable life tracks. Unlike a pendulum, the wave doesn't pull, it floats. It won't chase you, it won't beg you to follow. It will pass silently, unless you welcome it. The moment you say yes, the moment you smile at the good news instead of doubting it, you begin to glide into new reality lines. Fortunate events, aligned people, unexpected help. These begin to stack, not by magic, but by movement. You move closer to the vein in the space of variations, and the wave lifts you. But if you allow fear, doubt, anger, or stress, if you fall back under the influence of negative pendulums, you veer off that wave. You re-enter chaos. The wave of success doesn't disappear. You move away from it. It doesn't return because it never left. The bluebird of happiness is not elusive. It is simply not loud. It doesn't shout. It doesn't demand. It waits quietly for your permission to land. You don't have to chase it. Just don't scare it away. To surf the wave of success, you don't need force. You need awareness. Let go of what isn't yours. Recognize when you're drifting. And when the wave shows up, let it carry you. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Chapter 3, The Wave of Success. Remember, true success doesn't require struggle. It asks only for presence, awareness, and the courage to let go of what no longer serves you. The wave is already here. Are you ready to ride it? If this message resonated with you, consider sharing it with someone who might need to hear it. And don't forget, your reality is yours to choose. See you in the next chapter.